Hey guys, it's Kerima and welcome back to another cleaning video. There's been so much going on in my life since I've been gone, but of course there's lots of mess, so we're going to take care of that together. I'm happy to report that most of the new things happening in my life are good things, so I will share some of that with you in this video, but let's get into the cleaning. So we're going to start out with doing some laundry because there's always some that needs to be done. I had a load of towels that I needed to get washed, so I'm taking care of that now. And I also want to thank Earth Breeze for sponsoring this video. I've been using Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets for a few weeks now, and I must say I have been converted. So some of the pluses for me is the fact that the detergent is eco-friendly. I also love the fact that it is a laundry sheet similar to a dryer sheet. This takes away all the liquid since most liquid detergents can be up to 90% water. It also makes it easier for the kids to participate. Kingston, my 6-year-old, loves to help with the laundry, but it can get messy when he does, so I appreciate the laundry sheets. I also love that the packaging is plastic free, biodegradable, and it's compact, so this makes it easy to store. I have a small laundry room and I like to buy my laundry detergent in bulk so that I don't have to run out to the store so often. So I like to keep multiple packages on hand, so the compact packaging is perfect. It's vegan and cruelty-free and dermatologically tested, so it's safe for sensitive skin. And I really think it's cool that they have this buy one give 10 initiative. So each purchase donates 10 loads of laundry detergent to a charitable cause of your choice. The laundry sheets are 100% dissolvable in hot or cold water and works with any type of cycle or any type of machine. But most importantly, Earth Breeze is tough on stains and removing odors, so you still get a powerful clean. As you saw, I am doing a load of towels. I also used it for my gym clothes, which is the smelliest thing in the house. And it did great with removing the odors and stains, sweat stains. And you'll see the towels in this video, how fluffy and clean they look. So it is a plus for me. So if you're interested in trying it for yourself, go to earthbreeze.com/Kerima to get started with 40% off. That's earthbreeze.com/Kerima for 40% off your subscription. Their subscription is flexible, so it can be adjusted, paused, or canceled at any time without penalty. And they also have a 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. No questions asked, so you have nothing to lose. I honestly don't think you'll be disappointed in this product, so if you are looking for an eco-friendly laundry detergent, please give Earth Breeze a try. Thank you again to Earth Breeze for sponsoring this video. It's such a pleasure to work with companies I truly believe in. So now it's time to get some of the clean laundry put away. Everything in this basket was washed with Earth Breeze, by the way. That's my work clothes, my workout clothes, my house clothes, everything. So I'm really proud of myself with keeping up with the laundry. I'm doing a good job with getting it washed and folded, but I am still struggling with getting things put away. I'll admit that I've been living out of this basket a little bit, so it's pretty disheveled. I'm going to have to reorganize some of these clothes before I can actually get it in my drawer. But you have to celebrate the small wins. There's just really too many steps to laundry. So as you can see, my clothes look a little disheveled in the basket because, like I said, I've been kind of picking through it, but that's okay. We'll get it organized real quick. For the most part, everything is still folded. These are my workout clothes, just my sports bras and a couple of my biker shorts and leggings that I like to work out. I work out 4 to 5 days a week, so I go through a lot of workout clothing. That's why I have so much. But I am really impressed with how clean they are. I get very sweaty. I'm not ashamed to say I get very sweaty and stinky. So yeah, I'm washing workout clothes at least twice a week. So I'm kind of sifting through the basket. I'm pulling all my workout clothes. I'm still pulling out workout clothes from the basket. I don't know if everyone is like this, but I kind of sort my clothes by where they go. So I like to put the PJs together and my work clothes together and my workout clothes together, so it's easier for me to put it up. That's at least the thought process I have. And then I kind of jumble it all up when I'm getting dressed from the basket throughout the week, but I'm working on it. So I did get the rest of the clothes put away off camera because I felt like it was just taking up too much time and I wanted to move on in the video. So we do have another full basket of laundry, dirty laundry that needs to get done. I swear it's a vicious cycle, but we are going to get the rest of the room straightened up as well. So now I am moving on to the bed. I like to make my bed, but I'm not going to be honest, it is not the first thing I do when I get out of my bed. But when I get to it, especially when I'm cleaning my room, I will get it done. You probably saw Kingston peeking over there in the corner. If you are in the Texas area, you know about the freeze. It's been a freeze since Monday. It's Thursday when I'm recording this video, so pretty much all week. The kids have been home all week. I have been home all week working from home. It's been bittersweet, kind of fun, kind of not fun, but we are making it work. I also wanted to mention that my sheets are clean. I try to make that my Sunday routine. The majority of times on Sundays, I like to do sheets and towels and Kingston's clothes, and then I'll do my clothes one day during the week just to make it a little easier on myself. But I didn't get to all the towels, so I'm washing towels today. So, it's not a strict schedule, but it is some type of schedule I try to set up for myself. So the sheets and the bedding are clean. So this is my little work from home area. This is where I'll do my day job and edit my YouTube videos. But it is, it's a tabletop surface and I am bad at that. If there is a tabletop, clutter will find its way there. But I don't stress myself out about that because I will always get to it and declutter it like I'm doing now. I am technically working. This is my break and I took my break time to clean my room, but I definitely wanted to get my desk cleaned off because I was working from the kitchen table and I wanted to come up and work from my desk. So I got a little cleaning done around the room, but I did have to log back into work. I had a meeting scheduled, so I'm just hopping on the meeting and just working on some of the tasks that I had for the day. But just to catch some people up to speed who may be new here, I am a registered nurse. I've been a registered nurse. It'll be 10 years this year in July. Last year, I did switch over from the bedside to informatics. So I am a clinical informatics specialist, RN at the moment. And I've been working from home this week since we have snow, rain, and ice here in Texas. I'm typically hybrid, so I do go to an office and have some work from home days. I kind of like that mix because I'm a little more productive in the office sometimes. There's just so many things to do at home. But I do love the flexibility and I'm very grateful for the opportunity to work from home when I need to. And I'll use this opportunity to talk about how I made the transition from bedside nurse to a clinical informaticist, since I get that question often. There are quite a few nurses who follow me on this channel, and from time to time I do get questioned how I made that transition without experience. So basically, the number one thing I did was I became a super user, and I made sure I participated in our go lives. We switched over from Allscripts to Epic. Epic is what we use now. So I used that opportunity when they were looking for volunteers to become a super user and just kind of get in with the informatics team. I started networking with some of the current informaticists and just basically told them to keep me in mind if they posted any positions because I was really interested. And also, I am a clinical nurse, so I do have clinical expertise as well as experience with using the Epic program, and that is a skill that is necessary, or a skill that they look for. You don't have to have it, but it is a skill that they look for in informatics. So that is how I made the transition. When they did post a position, I put the application in. Some of the people that I networked with vouched for me and you know, kind of gave me a referral, and the rest is history. It'll be a year this month. It's been an interesting career change, but for the most part, I can say that I really do enjoy what I'm doing. The learning curve was quite steep. Being a clinical nurse, I really struggled with some of the technical sides, but a year into it, I am starting to find my footing. So I think I made a good career choice. So now I am done with work. The towels had been done washing and drying, but I waited till after work to fold them because, you know, had to finish up work, had to feed the kids, you know, they're home too. So we did all of that. But as you can see, the towels are nice and fresh and clean. I did smell them off camera. Just, you know, I smell my laundry anyway. I need to know that is clean. But they smelled fresh. They were soft. They felt clean. And that is really important to me. So if you are interested, I highly recommend Earth Reads. Not because this is a sponsored video. I don't usually highly recommend things, but I highly recommend them if you're looking for an eco-friendly option. So we're going to end the video here. Today was a pretty productive day. This is kind of how I attack my household cleaning now. Gone are the days that we're doing these like massive full whole house cleaning videos. I still do that on the weekends sometimes, but I am getting smarter now that I'm working 5 days a week. Like, you know, normal people, I am trying to utilize my time more wisely so I'm not wearing myself out once a week. And it's working out. I just get as much done as I can. So I'm satisfied that my room is clean. We got some laundry done. We got some laundry put away. And we got work done. We fed the kids. We entertained the kids. We did a lot today. So we got some things done. I really appreciate you guys always coming back to my channel, even with my little hiatuses. But I'm hopefully back for good. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.